Have you ever slipped behind the wheel of a car, closed the door, and felt the world outside fade into a barely audible whisper? Yet, in another car, the road noise, wind gusts, and engine hum seem to invite themselves into your driving sanctuary, disrupting your peaceful journey. Why is there such a stark difference? This mystery of car cabin noise. The hidden art of muting the outside world isn't merely a feat of engineering, but a masterful blend of science and art that profoundly affects our driving experiences. Let us embark on a journey to uncover the whispering secrets of why some cars cocoon us in silence, while others let the world in. Our story begins with a common yet profoundly influential element of our daily lives: the humble car. This ubiquitous machine has evolved from a mere mode of transport to a reflection of a status symbol, and most importantly, a sanctuary on wheels. The interior of a car, particularly the cabin, is designed not just for functionality, but also for an immersive experience. It's a space where passengers cocooned from the outside world can relax, connect, or simply enjoy the ride. Now imagine two cars, one from a bygone era and one from today. The vintage car, with its soft leather seats and wooden accents, offers a glimpse into a time when craftsmanship was paramount. The modern car, a sleek marvel of technology, boasts plush materials and ergonomic designs. Both cars have one thing in common: the aspiration to provide a haven of comfort, yet they differ vastly in their approach to achieving this haven. This disparity becomes more apparent when we consider the concept of cabin noise. In the early days of automobiles, noise wasn't a major concern. As cars were primarily seen as a means of transportation, the focus was on getting from point A to point B. As vehicles became more prevalent and roads busier, the need for a quieter, more pleasant ride became increasingly apparent. With time, engineers and designers began paying more attention to the importance of reducing external noise and creating a peaceful ambiance within the car cabin. Today, this aspect has evolved into an art form, a testament to the human desire for comfort and tranquility amidst the chaos of modern life. The transformation of car cabins into sanctuaries of silence is a multi-pronged approach involving an orchestra of elements, each playing a crucial role in orchestrating the grand finale of a peaceful ride. Let's delve into the fascinating aspects that contribute to this transformation. One of the cornerstones of this endeavor is the selection of appropriate materials. Much like choosing the right ingredients for a culinary masterpiece, automakers carefully choose materials that not only enhance the visual appeal of the cabin, but also excel in sound insulation. For instance, components made from materials like polyurethane, which possesses excellent sound dampening properties, play a pivotal role in quieting the roar of the engine. By strategically integrating such components, automakers effectively contain engine noise, transforming the under-the-hood rumble into a subtle hum that graces the cabin. Additionally, the choice of upholstery and interior trim plays a significant role. Soft fabrics and finely textured surfaces not only elevate the cabin's aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to sound absorption, diffusing the harsh edge of external noises. Furthermore, the art of car cabin noise reduction involves a strategic layering of materials. This approach is akin to the strategic brush strokes of a painter creating a layered masterpiece. Each layer is designed to tackle specific frequencies of noise, ensuring that no disruptive sound penetrates the sanctuary of the cabin. One common technique involves the use of multiple sheets of metal, each with a different thickness, sandwiched. This multi-layered approach disrupts the transmission of sound waves, effectively converting them into a symphony of silence. Such techniques transform the car cabin into a fortress against the cacophony of the outside world, providing passengers with an uninterrupted haven of peace. But the saga of car cabin noise reduction doesn't end at material science. It extends to the very architecture of the vehicle. The design of a car's body and frame is a critical factor in determining the level of noise that permeates the cabin. Automakers employ advanced techniques such as welding nuts and bolts to reduce the resonance within the body, thus minimizing the amplification of noise. Moreover, the strategic placement of strategically placed rubberized components serves to isolate the cabin from the suspension system, effectively dampening the jolts and bumps that would otherwise reverberate into unwanted noise. These architectural interventions are akin to the structural integrity of a building, ensuring that the car stands firm against the onslaught of external sounds. However, the crescendo of this noise reduction symphony is achieved through a harmonious blend of technology and engineering. Modern vehicles are equipped with sophisticated active noise cancellation systems. These systems, reminiscent of the noise-canceling prowess of high-end headphones, utilize microphones placed strategically around the car to listen to incoming noise waves. Once detected, the system generates counter-sound waves. effectively neutralizing the incoming noise and transforming the cacophony into silence. This technological integration elevates the car cabin into a realm where tranquility is no longer a luxury but a standard feature. The significance of car cabin noise reduction goes beyond just engineering. It delves deep into the realm of human psychology and the profound impact that our surroundings have on our well-being. In today's fast-paced world, noise pollution is a constant threat, encroaching upon our spaces and disrupting our peace. The car cabin, therefore, transforms into a personal sanctuary, a bubble of tranquility amidst the turbulence of everyday life. By quieting the roar of the outside world, car cabins allow drivers and passengers to relax, reducing stress and enhancing the overall driving experience. A quiet cabin provides a space for clear thinking and focused driving, contributing to road safety and driver well-being. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of comfort and safety in an increasingly noisy world. So the next time you find yourself behind the wheel of a car, take a moment to appreciate the symphony of science and engineering that transforms the chaotic soundscape of the outside world into a serene melody within the cabin. The quest for a quieter, more comfortable ride has been a long and winding road, paved with innovation, trial, and error, and a deep understanding of the science of sound. From the earliest days of the automobile, when horse-drawn carriages dominated the streets, the internal combustion engine was seen as a revolutionary new way to propel vehicles forward. But with this newfound power came a hefty price: noise pollution. The roar of the engine and the clatter of the mechanical components quickly became a nuisance in the bustling urban centers, prompting people to seek ways to tame the unruly beast. In the early 20th century, as cars started to proliferate, the call for quieter vehicles grew louder. Engineers and designers began experimenting with various methods to insulate the passengers from the cacophony of the engine. They tried everything from placing sound-absorbing materials in the engine compartment to modifying the shape of the car's body to disrupt the flow of air. It was a time of trial and error, of hitting dead ends and starting anew. But with each setback, the determination to conquer the noise grew stronger. Then came the breakthrough. The application of scientific principles and the use of innovative materials led to a car that could offer a semblance of peace. Suddenly, a drive in the city did not have to be a tortured test of the nerves, and a journey in the countryside could be enjoyed without the deafening roar of the engine drowning out the bird. But the quest for a quieter ride didn't end there. As the decades rolled by, the demand for a more peaceful driving experience continued to rise. People wanted not just a respite from the noise, but an immersion into a world of silence. And so the journey continued, leading to newer and better ways to insulate the car cabin from the outside world. Today, car manufacturers spend millions of dollars on research and development, investing in state-of-the-art technology and collaborating with experts in the field of acoustics to create a driving experience that borders on the ethereal. The result, a car that doesn't just muffles the noise, but creates a cocoon of silence, a sanctuary where the driver and passengers can relax, unwind, and enjoy the ride. And yet, despite all these advances, there is still a segment of the population that finds itself in car cabins that are anything but silent. And that's because the quest for a quieter car is not just a matter of engineering, it's a matter of economics. You see, the materials and technology used to create a silent car are expensive. Sound-absorbing materials, multiple layers of glass, and advanced active noise cancellation systems add to the cost of manufacturing. And when budget constraints come into play, the quest for silence takes a back seat. This is where the art of car cabin noise reduction comes into play. It's not just about quieting the roar. It's about creating an experience. It's about making every drive a journey into a world of tranquility, where the stress of the outside world melts away and all that remains is the road ahead and the symphony of silence. So the next time you step into a car, take a moment to appreciate the symphony of science, engineering, and art that transforms a noisy machine into a silent sanctuary. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our eternal quest for comfort and peace in an increasingly noisy world. If you found this video insightful, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button to stay updated with our latest content. If you enjoyed this video, you might also appreciate our other content, exploring the unseen wonders of everyday life. Give them a watch and let us know which one resonates with you the most. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep discovering the magic that surrounds us.